हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का वेलकम है पीएस क्लासेस में। दोस्तों, मैं सी टेट इंग्लिश पेडागॉजी टेस्ट 6 लेकर के प्रेजेंट हो गया हूं। दोस्तों, अगर आप पहली बार मेरे चैनल को विजिट कर रहे हैं तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर कर दीजिएगा। ऐसी वीडियो पाने के लिए राइट साइड में बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दीजिएगा ताकि सबसे पहले हमारी वीडियो आप तक पहुंचती रहे। बता दें दोस्तों कि आज का जो हमारा टारगेट है, 100 जो है लाइक होना चाहिए और साथ ही साथ 100 सब्सक्राइब होना चाहिए। तो चलिए दोस्तों, शुरुआत करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से। लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन involves a systematic approach to the analysis and comprehension of the grammar as well as to the memorization of the vocabulary. B refers to the process of learning a native or second language because of the innate capacity of human brain. C is a technique intended to simulate the environment in which children learn their native language. And D require the memorization and use of the necessary vocabulary. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The option is C. Absolutely right. It is a technique intended to stimulate the environment in which children learn their native language. My dear friend, please like, subscribe and also share it. The next question is that while listening means a stage when students are listening to according a natural conversation. B, where the student attempt a listening task. And C, when a listening activities is introduced. And D, when students are listening for pleasure. Tell me which option is goes to correct. My dear, this is a marathon classes and tell me how is your score. Tell me how is your score, my dear friend. The question is while listening means a stage. The answer is goes to correct A, when students are listening to a recording of a natural conversation. The next question is that criteria of assessment is are question wise distribution of the mark, general impression of students ability, scoring key, guidelines with the marking scheme. Tell me which option is goes to correct. B, general impression of students ability. The next question is that notes can be made using a flow chart or a wave diagram. The study skill involved is summarizing, retrieving, gathering, storing. Tell me guys, how is your score? Tell me guys, the option goes to the correct B, retrieving. The next question is that what is taught and not what is learned because students pay attention during informal discussion. B, a teacher socio-economic level may differ widely from the students. And C, students possess different abilities, personalities and come from variety of background. And D, a teacher or learners can never fully master any discipline. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The C, student possess different abilities, personalities and come from a variety of background. The next question is that constructivism is a theory where student A, from their own understanding and knowledge of the world through experiencing things and reflecting on those experiences. B, are facilitated by the teacher and use a variety of media to research and create their own theories. C, construct their own learnings at thereby gaining hands-on experience. And D, study a variety of dissimilar samples and draw a well-founded conclusion. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? Constructive is a theory where? Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? My dear? A, for their own understanding and knowledge of the world through experiencing things and reflecting on those experiences. The next question is that I loved Ophelia. 40,000 brothers could not, with all their quantity of love, make up some. The phrase 40,000 brothers illustrated a figure of speech called personification, hyperbole, allegory, imagery. Tell me guys, the option is goes to correct. Tell me guys, the B, hyperbole. The next question is that a rhetoric question is asked to clarify a concept for the sake of effect with answer needed to get feedback about what others think about your speech writing, and D, to gather personal information. The option is goes to correct B, for the sake of effect with answer needed. The next question is that the students make mistake while playing a grammar game. The teacher should call aside the student in charge in the group and instruct him/her to guide the student. B, quality note down the mistake and hold a remedial class for the erring student. C, quietly note down the mistakes and discuss them with the class after the activity. And D, call aside erring student and offer some guidance. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The student make mistake is the title. The option is goes to correct B, quietly note down the mistakes and hold a remedial class for the erring student. The next question is that learners are familiar with the concept cyberspace due to their cognitive overload. Therefore, learners may explore their own interest according to their own experience, background, and perspective while spending considerable time navigating for the content. B, usually omit studying describes but important topics. And C, may be exposed to a sequential and cohesive expository presentation. And D, may end up studying more meaningful topics in class. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? A, may explore their own interest according to their own experience, background, and perspective while expending considerable time navigating for the content. The next question is that according to NCEP 2005, learning of English aims to submit the language that a child acquires naturally from his home and social environment. B, to introduce standards shine language in English for the children with language related impairment. And C, to provide adequate facilities at the stage level for instruction in English at the primary stage of education. D, to enable knowledge acquisition through literacy and its development into an instrument of the abstract thought. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The question is that the option A is goes to correct, to subsume the language that a child acquires naturally from his home and social environment. The next question is that student A and student B ask and answer question to complete a worksheet. This is a role play, an information gap activity, a control interview, an information transfer activity. Tell me guys, which one is correct? The D, information transfer activity. The next question is that in the word scarce, the phonetic transcription for A is E-A, I-E, A-I-A-E-E. Tell me guys. Scarce. Tell me guys. Option is C correct, A-E. An example of linking adverbial is this, show, your, the. Tell me which one is correct. So, homonyms of beer is beer, where, bar, beer. Tell me guys, the option is goes to correct. B, beer. Homonyms similar sound but different meaning of beer is beer. Hence option B is correct. My dear friends, like, subscribe and share my video in many needy peoples and many important areas. My dear friends, इस वीडियो को आपने एंड तक देखा. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.